I'm already tongue-tied. Hello everyone, I interrupt this regularly scheduled summer hiatus with some news. I don't know if you saw, but when I published my last video, I also published a community post letting you know that I was going to be taking August off and intending to come back in September with season 5 and brand new videos. Well, some things have changed. And I'm actually really excited. It's a good change. It's a good change, but it's gonna be a lot. So I had wanted to use the month of August to catch up on some things and hopefully get ahead on some videos. But one of the things that I wanted to catch up on was figuring out how to move. And lo and behold, it actually happened like right away. I am moving and I am super, super excited. I am going back to the city that I love, Seattle. I'm driving with a friend in my car and Toby is going to hate every second of it. So over the next few weeks, I am actually packing and moving back to Seattle and I could not be happier. I have been so homesick. I actually have at least 2 or 3 video projects for Seattle-inspired things that I am working on because I was so homesick, and I get to go home before I even do those projects. So yeah, what that means going forward is that I will not be coming back with regular videos when I thought I would. I had intended to come back in September with season 5. And all new videos and had a lot of other stuff that I was gonna, hopefully get to. But I will be on the road in the middle of September. So I don't know exactly when season 5 is going to officially start, but I am going to at least try and get a moving video out if that appeals to you. And so I'm going to try and vlog little bits of my of moving here and there and hopefully catch you up on my adventure. And Toby's of course coming. So to that end, let me know in the comments if there is any particular aspect of my packing and moving that you are curious about, that you want me to be sure to include. And while we're at it, I've never done a Q&A before, so let's use that video to also take the opportunity for any questions you might have, whether craft related, moving related, whatever you want to know. I've never done a Q&A, so let's combine moving and a Q&A and we'll do it all at once. So if you have any questions or anything you want me to include, make sure you leave them in the comments below on this video and I will address them while I am working on my move. So anyway, I am super excited for this move. I have just been so desperate to go back. I just love it there so much. I can't wait to bring you along. It's just pretty there. I just love it there. So yeah, I guess that's all I needed to say. I just wanted to let you know that my season 5 return will be a little bit delayed. Hopefully we'll be in full swing in October. But if nothing else, I'll try and get this moving video up before the end of September. And I will say I'm not very good at remembering to reach for my camera and film stuff. It's not really my instinct, but that's why I want you to let me know. That's why I want you to let me know below if there's anything I should make sure to remember to film for you, because I might need the reminder. And let me know what you're working on this summer. Since I can't make videos and chat with you in those comments, put it down below. No matter when you come across this video, let me know what you're working on. And I will try and keep in touch in the comments of this video, even while I'm not able to do regular videos for a little while yet. So anyway, that's it. I hope your summer's going really well. And I am just super excited. I can't even tell you. I've been so homesick and I am so happy to be going to my chosen home. Finally, again. Okay, bye.